Transferring money from CIBC to Simplii is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from CIBC to Simplii account, you have to open up its CIBC website. Now, from its website, you will get to know about the process of how to transfer money between your accounts. To transfer money, scroll down to Manage Upcoming Bill Payments and Transfers. So, there are methods for online banking transfer. Now, scroll down and see Transfer Your Money section. Then check the Mobile Banking and CIBC Mobile Banking app. So first of all, select Transfer Funds. Then, choose the amount you would like to transfer from and to, the date and frequency. After that, select the Next button. Now, check the Online Banking section. Firstly, select Transfers. Then, choose the amount you would like to transfer from and to, the date and frequency. Then, select Next.